Okay, you want to get a newsletter out, but as you all know, they're a complete pain. You've got to do lots of formatting, you've got to get the content and so on. Not true with any MyInfonet system, for example, Legal RSS. With Legal RSS, we've just clicked on the newsletter tab to create a newsletter. We're going to give it a unique title, because otherwise it won't store it. And we're going to tell it what subscription list we want. The subscription management, list management is completely automated, as is, if you tick these, the social networking. So having done that, all we have to do is click create and we will be able to set up a newsletter. And as you can see, the newsletter is now set up with our logo there, and it's ready to pick the names out of the database. If it hasn't got the person's name, it'll say Dear Subscriber. So all we have to do then is add some introductory text. This is actually the bit that takes the time because you're writing that. And if you, as I said, are a law firm and you're using our content, well, let's do an agriculture newsletter. Why not? And we're going to pick some recent content out of agriculture. And there it is with all the pictures put in. I'd quite like to have one with a picture right at the top. So let's change the order so that we can get that up there. Save the change. If you want to add any other material, for example, your own bits of blogs and things, you can click on Edit Articles again, select the appropriate category and add the material to the mix. So all we'd have to do then is add a footer, which is something which says to get in touch with us when you're ready. Something else, make that nice and big though. Yeah, save the change. Okay, so now we've got that at the bottom. If you want to co-brand it with people or add banners, you can do that there. You click Send Preview. That's just out of the view, so you can't see that. You click Send Preview, and that is in my inbox now. So when you're happy with that, you give it a quick look, and you click Send, and it's all done. That's all you have to do with Legal RSS, and everything else is automated.